and welcome to another YouTube video. In today's video, we're going to be discussing what kind of techniques and strategies you can use in order to follow relevant accounts on Pinterest and how you can observe their activity in order to get inspiration. So the first thing that you need to do is that you need to use the search bar in order to look for relevant things. So let's just say that we want to look for digital marketing. Now, keywords and phrases play a huge role on Pinterest. You can get a lot of variety in the searches depending upon the keywords that you're using. So if we type in digital marketing here, you can see that in the suggestions, we can see strategy, codes, design, infographics, logo ideas, agencies, and a lot of other things can pop up depending upon the keyword that we're putting in the search bar. So let's just see by clicking on digital marketing simply. And we can filter out content by clicking on this drop down. You can see either all pins, your pins, product pins, videos, people, or boards. So as you can see that in the business account, we'll be able to, if we use a business account, we'll be able to appear in the product pins as well. So that's another fact that we need to consider. And you can see that if we click on digital marketing here, it redirects us to a page full of pins, which are not exactly what we asked for, but there are a lot of suggestions. There are other categories as well. These are subcategories: digital marketing designs, ideas, strategy, flyers, social media, infographics, quotes, and whatnot. So you can get a lot of ideas and you can get a lot of inspiration from these kind of things. Now again, if we see this drop down, we'll be able to see people as well. So if we click on people, we'll be able to see what kind of influencers are present here. Right here we have Nachi, a digital marketing company. And they have a lot of monthly viewers. And if we go back, we can see that they have more than 30k followers, and that is a very impressive number. So these can be something that we can use in order to take inspiration and in order to observe the activity of marketers on Pinterest. So you can do the same thing with your niche. You can insert keywords and phrases here which are relevant to your niche or industry, and you can look up the people who are most relevant to you. So we're going to click on follow. First of all, it says here now following Nachi digital marketing. So if you go down, we'll be able to see that they have also created boards, and they have a lot of pins as well to present to their targeted audience. Now let's just go back and insert something else here. Let's just say that we want to look for a digital marketing strategy. Again, the subcategories are diverse. They're extremely diverse. So if we use one of these like template, we have also seen GIFs and small videos here on Pinterest. So you can also present your content in the form of small videos or infographics or motion graphics on Pinterest as well, because the smaller the duration of the video or the video content that you're publishing on Pinterest, the more attention it'll be able to hold, or at least have the capability of holding, of your targeted audience. You can see here that a lot of things are here in the suggestions, and these are templates. So you can take inspiration from these kind of things in order to create your own content on Pinterest, or in order to create your own content on any social media network. You can also use these things in order to optimize your marketing strategy through visual elements. So when it comes to visual inspiration and visual empowerment for marketing, Pinterest is the way to go. And that's how you can use this search bar in order to look for not only relevant influencers, but also techniques and strategies which are going to help you promote your brand in the best way possible.